morning, and for the Muslim, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let's go to update for the information. The link on the site is update and the app is same update. So far, it's update. So here we go. As you can see, last time we using the database. Okay, here we go. Last time our site it's not using. Not using the using the free one. Thanks for the investor and the supporter. As today we become the big. Okay, here we go. You can see here after buy we can see here it's stacking. So it's at stacking. It's active for the digital one. Join the ICO. It's still same. And here we go. In our set today, it's very new. Like the logo still same. Okay, logo still same. And now our exchange. We have the visualize of our exchange the coming soon. So far, it's very great. The growth is very high. And the new one here, it's HI market. As you can see here. Example, this is the marketplace. The soon possible I will using the stacking system. Okay, stacking system will put around how much RGG. It's fine as good. So far today we remove the another project, not good one. Okay. Here, example, I wanna buy. This is not stacking one, but after you buy, the stacking is active like minimum, maximum, and bonus stage. The more pool active, the more you can active the stacking and more reward comes like that. Example, I wanna buy 01 HGG here. Just click here. What? It's not open. Take a look. Okay, after you click that, you just for email. Why we need email? Because after 3 months on the pre-selling, we will open for the web. Open for the wallet. The wallet will be published in uh, around 3 months after our collection for the funding. It's good and it's on the steady one. Even then we keep update for the next update. On the email we give you the information on the email. So far anything what you wanna update is on the email, and the address for the our RCG like that. Example, I will using Sora. Okay, like this. Okay, uh, this is the example email only. For this we call a Sora. It's completed is using the example like that, and address for the custody example here is Gria Sedang Indah, or for the country example I wanna full address like here, and like like it's Banten, Indonesia like that, or it's your store or your something place, anything you wanna place this. So far it's very good, or but if you using Japan it's not wrong, but we need letter for the custody. We need the complete information for your address, and we can send the custody of our like certificate of your own the gold, because RCG using gold, and after you can get that, you can using or like shopping on our site and anything else. So far example I using Gria Sedang Indah like that, and then the processing like this. So here you can see what cryptocurrency you pay. Example I wanna using the BNB one example. So you just click, and you need pay around like this. It's copy, and you copy there, copy the like this, copy this address, and you send to here, and then you got the HCI as soon as possible the information you got. So it's automatically on the our system like that. So far it's good like this. Okay, it's not infallible, so another order. I mean we need refresh like that again, and I'll using the set here like this. The upcoming soon we will put the stacking one. It's for the bigger one, like you fully for the 1 year you put here, so after you buy that, and 1 year we will give you the record or anything else, and the gold is we trade off. So far you have the profit, so you no need trade your gold, but we play off your gold and make profit that like that. So far it's a 1 year minimum, 1 year minimum for the investment. It's very good. You can between 1 and 5 year, because we cannot provide more than 5 year, because we have the another project, maybe you have the another project. So far it's maybe 1 year until the 5 year like that. For the coin is full time year, it's no problem for the coin. Okay, that is for the coin. For the coin is full time year, but for the gold you like buy the our gold on the real gold, so it's same actually. But the period for the real gold it's around one until the 5 year. For the coin it's a long, because after example 1 year, then you wanna withdraw or using uh, the gold like that, so we will give you the gold, the custody one. So to give you the custody one, you have the own one, the own the gold, the real gold. But if you using the custody, you never using the RCG one, because you already cash out. But if you using the RCG, you can using the another feature on the RCG example like NFC, property buy for the gold or anything else. It's very good one. That's it. That is the surplus of the HG one. This is for the buoy one, not the long term. I will soon make the long term for the coin one. So it's very good because it's 20% for the coin stacking like that. Minimum you buy is around maybe around one k or around 5k, sorry, 5k USD, because it's one by pair one by gold, one gram gold, one RGG same as 1 gram gold. So make sure you big invest than small one, because the small one is too low for the presentation you got the year of yield. That is better you put all big one to invest. Example, you invest is around 30,000 like that, or the something else. It's a big one like that. So if you are not big, it's better big one, or it's small one. But small one, it's not impact on the network. So it's same as you dig for real gold. The small you invest is the small you got. If you big invest, then like the real mining one, you got the big profit like that. The YOY is 20% for all. If you put one or buy 1000, it's very low, sorry, it's very low, but make sure uh, you got the point this it's 1 gram, okay, 1 gram. So example, you need 1000 gram, it's like 1 kilos like that. It's very good. Example, you wanna 5 kilos, so it's around 500 RGG like that. Is very big invest for that, like that, okay. That is the real one between what it's different for the RGG and any cryptocurrencies. The HG one is using the protocol for the gods. So I'll feature the next feature of how HG using, or like for smart chain or anything else. It's using the HG. So HG is more spread of, more strong, more ideas. It's more than the same simple gold. It's using for anything you wanna, like you using in the real one for the real project like that. Something else for the buoy item, but actually using gold, or you transaction gold for the buy something to eat, or the using the example, you saving is same as the gold, like HCI store, you put the real gold one. So far it's very good. You can see the roadmap is still ongoing. It's good. Thank for someone to help us to bring grow for the more grow than today, and give us to proposal, I mean to make a big project, like what. And thank you for Mikhail, aka Mike, for the investor relationship, and help us, and maybe we still wait for the big one, but we make sure it's on the strike. And for thank you for the Nakamura and Kazumoto, thank you for the giving time for the or AI, and the support for the our site, and the purchasing for our site, and bring us now for the not free one, but it's the commercial one. Thank you very much, like that. For the next is I wanna tell about sorry, it's about about the site, our site. Wait. Oh yeah. Wait. I will tell about forum 2. Wait. It's still lag because my phone is lagging using. Wait. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Here we go for the inside of the forum. Here like this. In this long partnership, every long partnership, we or like investor, you can talk here anything like advertising, recruitment, or anything else. It's for the good one. For the partnership is good so far like this. So we made forum for the partnership. It's good one. Okay, here we go for the commodity one. Bitcoin is fall, I think. Yes, Bitcoin fall so far, like this. For the wallet, it's simple wallet, simple to simple, I think. Yeah, the symbol is good for the. So we encrypt like this. I think not work because it's copy actually, like that. This is in the API. Here API like this. Address, wallet, mining, masternode info, like that. It's for the developer one. This is for the chain info. Blockchain info like this. HCS, HCC, chopper. It's a wall our chain today. And this the explorer. This is the good explorer. So it's real, but we still using for testing on the mainnet. Uh, we still make sure our data is good here. Okay. Then back to wallet again. Okay, like this. This is my balance. We soon can send, but later soon it's can send to another wallet like that. Okay, that it's for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Muslim.